Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Hampstead, local and long-distance movers near me. Whether you have landed a dream job or moving to a dream house someplace far from Hampstead, 3 men and a truck is always ready to help you. We know relocating is an exhausting process, and with other priorities, dedicating time to pack and move your stuff is a lot to tackle. All our movers are experienced and know how to securely pack all your stuff, including furniture, electronics, and other valuables. We ensure the safety of your things and guarantee you timely and damage-free delivery of your stuff. If you think moving local to Hampstead is going to be simple, you are definitely in for a big surprise. Despite the short distance, you'll still need to pack your stuff and move everything along with your furniture to your new home or office. We specialize in providing our moving services to local community. Rest assured, our expert movers will streamline everything from packing to unpacking your things in your new space. Within a few hours, we'll set you free to enjoy your new space. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hampstead moving business offers extra services, from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.